Welcome to Entera Tasks. This guide will help you explore the dashboard and understand how to track and manage your work efficiently. Dashboard provides a summary of all your tasks across taskboards, helping you stay organized and gain quick insights into your workload and progress. Let us now explore the cards. You can quickly create a new task or a new taskboard by clicking on the dedicated cards available on the dashboard, allowing you to get started without navigating away. With a single click, you can open your task calendar and view all your planned tasks in one place, making it easy to keep track of your schedule. The flagged task card displays the total number of tasks you flagged across all taskboards. Clicking on it will take you to the detailed list of those flagged items. High priority card shows the total number of high priority tasks currently assigned to you. You can click on it to directly access detailed information about these important tasks. In assigned tasks, you can view the total count of all tasks assigned to you. Clicking the card will take you to a detailed list for deeper tracking and action. With My Tasks section, organizes all your tasks into 3 useful categories: today, overdue, and upcoming, making it easier for you to focus on what needs immediate attention. You can click on any task to open its detail page, and switch between tabs to view tasks according to their due dates. Next up is My Taskboards. By default, the Taskboards tab displays a list of all boards where you are a member. Clicking on any taskboard name will take you directly to its detail page. On the right-hand side of the card, you'll see a summary showing how many tasks are assigned to you and how many you've completed. Hovering over the number will also show your pending tasks within that board. Total task assigned visually represents the status of all tasks assigned to you across taskboards. It breaks them down by categories such as pending, in progress, and completed. You can apply filters to change the time duration, making it easy to compare your task load over different periods. The Work Efficiency card shows your productivity using a simple formula. Work efficiency is equal to total completed tasks upon total assigned tasks into 100. You can apply filters to view your efficiency over different time periods and compare your performance historically. This helps you identify the time periods where you were most productive and where improvements might be needed. Task Completion Duration section displays a line graph showing the average time you take to complete tasks. It helps you understand how long you are spending time on different types of tasks. By using the filter, you can narrow down the data to specific date ranges and assess where delays or speed improvements occurred. Task Assigned vs Completed shows the number of tasks assigned to you versus the number of tasks completed during a selected time period. You can adjust the filter to compare your performance over different weeks or months and get a clear sense of how consistently you are managing your workload.